I'm Josh Kniebel with Bain Welker Equipment, Precision Farming Specialist for Winnemac and Remington. And today I'm going to go through the task controller setup with you. So the first thing we'll do is we go into the ISOBUS and get our module set up that is on the implement. We have a slurry tank on here for doing manure application. And when we set it up, you'll set up your sections, your implement width, product, what you're doing, your rates. And once that is all configured in here, you will go into, that's where you set your rates, predefined or RX. So you can do a prescription, and then we'll exit this and we go into the task controller. There will be information in here to set up. So you'll switch it to installed and it will do a cycle on the display. It will power down and power back up. And you have to have a USB in the display to run task controller. We have ours set on advanced mode and auto resume so that when we shut off and turn back on, it will auto resume. ISO data logging enabled, so it logs the data that is coming across the ISOBUS. Tractor type, we're in an MFWD. Front hitch option, no. Our rear hitch, we have it measured from the center of the axle to the hitch point, and that's where your start and your manual is. Once you have this set up, then you need to go into your product and set up your product. And be sure of what the form of it is, because if the form does not match what you have set up in the East RCM side, then it will not show up at all. So once you have that set up and your usage is fertilizer or seed, it can be numerous things. Your default app rate, your maximum app rate, and this is how much your rate will change when you're trying to increase or decrease in the run screen. Once that's all in there, then you need to go into your work condition and set up a work condition. Our work condition, we just named it manure. Layer 1, product actual volume, and our product is manure. Then we'll go into the task controller, TCPF tab, and we can see that our implement width is 12 feet, our swath width is 12 feet, and our forward offset, it automatically configures that width, and everything is set up in there. So that will do your section control. And so on the TC operation mode, we have advanced and section only. If we are running section only, that is just going to control the section shutoffs on the implement. It will not do your variable rate or anything like that. It's just specifically what it means, section only. So you have a lot less setup in here running section only instead of prescription and rates and all that stuff. If you have any more questions, get a hold of one of your PF specialists and they can point you in the right direction. Thank you.